Hello, this is bio123 Group C9. This is Georgia, Nick, Eric, and Trevor. So, when we first started our project, we were thinking of a few ideas, trying to find the perfect question to ask. First one we came up with was, does sperm count get affected by hydration? Which we thought could be okay, but ultimately we decided it was boring. So went back to the drawing board, came up with a second hypothesis. We thought it was super original, super interesting, and it was, does sex affect how you sleep? We thought it was great, but we realized it was straight up plagiarized from another group. So of course, we had to go back to the drawing board again, and we came up with the third idea. And third time's the charm, always the best. It is, does the firstborn twin have more sex than the secondborn twin? And our group, knowing twins, decided this was the perfect one for us. It is both funny and interesting.
We started thinking about what our hypothesis would be, and we arrived finally at the idea that we thought firstborn twins would definitely have more sex than secondborn twins. Of course, this means that our null hypothesis would be that firstborn twins don't have more sex.
For our method, we chose to do an observational survey of a large sample size. Some of the questions we were going to ask is, are you a twin? Are you older? Are you younger? How many times do you have sex?
After analyzing the question, we thought that the firstborn twin would definitely have more sex than the secondborn twin.
We began doing some research on the topic to figure things out, and we found that early in the mother's womb, external influences can begin to affect the growth for each twin. For example, one twin can have a better connection with the placenta, so he'll get some of the best nutrients, as seen here with the strong baby. We also learned some other facts in some studies that showed that the firstborn twin is actually taller than the younger twin, as seen here. And as we learned in class, body image and size does affect attractiveness for other people. So all of these beautiful stick figures are swooning over the older and taller twin. And that makes him happy.
After conducting our experiment, we realized there might be some confounding variables that could possibly impact our data. One being how much exercise each twin get, another being their diet and how healthy they are, a third one being what their individual sex drives are, and finally the environment that they grow up in and how does that shape who they become and how they perceive themselves as a person.
Thank you guys so much for listening to our experiment.